right around the corner and I'm super duper excited because this is the time of the year when I get to bake and make all sorts of goodies and just enjoy them, and that too guilt free. So today I thought I'm going to try a new recipe for you guys, which is hot cocoa bombs. It's lovely winters, and nothing beats having a nice cup of hot chocolate, and I thought, so why not actually do that? I have dark chocolate over here, around 500 grams of it, and I have sphere molds. Now these are easily available online or at your local bakery store, so you can go and get these molds, and the chocolate also would be available. And today we're going to melt the chocolate using a microwave, which I find is to be the simplest method. And in case आपके पास microwave नहीं है, then you can use the double boiler method, which is basically having a saucepan full of water, and on that you put a glass bowl and you melt the chocolate in it. And I'm going to put it in the microwave at intervals of 30 seconds. So my chocolate is almost melted. There are still some bit of lumps. मैंने approximately 30 seconds के interval पे इसको 2 मिनट तक मैंने माइक्रोवेव किया है. And all I'm going to do now is I'm going to let the heat which is there in my chocolate melt the lumps. It's that simple. So now I'm going to keep this on the side here, and I'm going to take my mold, which is nice and dry and clean, and अब इसको मैं chocolate से fill करूँगी. मेरे सारे molds मैंने fill कर लिए हैं, and I'm going to let this sit for some time so that there is a nice chocolate coating, and when we put the balls together they stick and they don't break easily. So we're gonna let this sit out for some time till it cools and it sets, and then we're gonna turn it over. I've let this sit out for 7 to 10 minutes, and if I let this sit out any longer, then the chocolate might set inside the mold, which is not something we want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a tray and I'm going to flip the chocolate inside this. It's a little bit of a messy job, but see, and it's done. And then using a spatula, I'm going to scrape this off. Make sure that the sides of the molds are quite clean, because otherwise ये बाहर आने में काफी दिक्कत करने वाला है. And I'm just going to let this sit and again set a little bit before taking some more chocolate and painting. So I can see that my chocolate shells are setting, but I want them to be a little more sturdy, and of course when we add it to the milk I want it to be a little more chocolatey. So I'm going to paint on some chocolate on the inside of the walls very carefully. Can you see? I'm doing nothing, I'm not bringing it outside, I'm just painting inside just to make it a stronger coat. मेरा जो chocolate है ये set हो चुका है अच्छे से. So now I'm going to try and turn them over. So very carefully I'm loosening the edges अच्छे से, so that when I do turn it over it doesn't break. And I have my perfect chocolate shells ready. And मैंने और एक चीज़ भी किया है. I have actually gone ahead and prepared some white chocolate ones as well. So I'm going to create pairs out of them. And because we're going to be making Christmas ornaments out of these hot chocolate bombs, I'm going to also paint them with beautiful luster dusts of different colors, and it's just going to make it look very festive, and it's just not even going to look like, it's something edible, that it's something made of chocolate. So let's get started on that. So my chocolate balls have been nicely colored, and now turn them ulta so that I can fill them with things. And I have a variety of fillings which I'm going to kind of put in each of them. And I would suggest that you let your imagination run wild and just go bonkers about whatever you want to put in these chocolate balls, which is the hazelnut chocolate spread. And I'm going to fill one of my dark chocolate ones with it. Some crumbled hazelnuts. And I've got mini marshmallows over here. What is hot chocolate without the marshmallows, right? And in my white chocolate one, I am going to fill it with some beautiful caramel which I've made earlier. And in that, I'm again going to add some marshmallows. and interestingly some coffee. So again some more marshmallows. I've got some big ones here, so I'm gonna add that too. Some more brownies in my white chocolate one. Some caramel. And I'm gonna top this one with some berry flavored marshmallows, big ones. For my last white chocolate one, I'm going to make it into cookie and cream hot chocolate. So I'm going to fill it with some Oreos, which I'm breaking up. Now to attach them, so I have some white chocolate over here, and I'm going to put it across on the edges. Take the other silver one, and do the same on the edges. Sprinkle it with some silver sugar dust. And now we're going to start closing up these balls. So I've got some white chocolate over here which I've melted. I'm going to use that for the white chocolate dough. And boom, my last Christmas ornament is almost ready. So my hot chocolate bombs are all ready and they look absolutely stunning and so Christmassy. लग रहा है जैसे actual ornaments हैं and ना कि chocolates, you know. It just seems like something you can just put on a Christmas tree. So guys, don't forget to make this and enjoy this with a hot cup of milk. Oh, by the way, this also makes for a very beautiful Christmas gift for your loved ones. I'm going to be bringing you more Christmas recipes, so stay tuned for them. And in the meantime, when you do make these, don't forget to send me the pictures and tag me in them, okay? Chalo, bye-bye.